Brass. The word brass has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Here are 3 common meanings of the word brass and examples of each. 1. Brass as a metal. In the context of materials and metals, brass refers to a yellowish alloy made primarily of copper and zinc. It is known for its durability and is commonly used in the manufacturing of musical instruments, decorative items, and plumbing fittings. For example, the trumpet is typically made of brass. The doorknob was made of solid brass. 2. Brass as a collective noun. Brass can also be used as a collective noun to refer to a group of brass instruments or musicians who play them. In this sense, it is often associated with military bands or orchestras. For example, the brass played a beautiful fanfare at the beginning of the concert. The conductor led the brass section with great precision. 3. Brass as a slang term. In informal or slang language, brass is sometimes used as a term to refer to audacity, boldness, or cheekiness. It is often used in phrases like brass neck or brass balls. For example, he had the brass to ask for a raise after only working here for a month. She showed some real brass by standing up to the boss during the meeting. Overall, brass can refer to a metal alloy, a group of musical instruments or musicians, or audacity in informal language. It is important to consider the context in which the word is used to understand its specific meaning.